Coppersmith Barbet, also known as crimson-breasted barbet, a single bird, found a partner, takes some time in getting together. Now starts courtship feeding when the male brings food for the female and mating rituals. And now it's time to start searching a proper place for nesting. From one branch to another branch, mostly they look for the dried branch. A branch got selected, and now it's time for nesting process. This recording has been done in a local park in Delhi. You can listen the voice of other birds in background, human voices too, and there is a peculiar sound, gutur gutur sound. This bird is Coppersmith Barbet, and that sound is of brown-headed barbet. Now it's time to check the nest. Work is finished, so it's time to stretch and relax. Now the result is about to come out. It's a beautiful moment. The baby barbet keeps poking and squeezing mother's belly, asking for food. It looks beautiful. I took photographs, but I forgot to record the video. It could have been the best possible video, one of the best possible, certainly.